In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count if greater than 0 in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to quickly count only the positive numbers in any list or column using a simple, reliable formula. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the workbook or sheet that contains your data. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same for this task. Look over your data for a moment and identify the cells you want to evaluate. These are usually in a single column, like a list of sales, scores, or balances. It's best if that column contains actual numbers, not numbers stored as text. Next, click once on the cell where you want the result to appear. This is where Excel will display the count. It can help to place a label just to the left or above the cell, like count of 0, so you'll remember what the number represents. Now start the formula by typing Excel COUNTIF. COUNTIF is a built-in function that counts how many cells in a range meet a condition. As you type, Excel will show you a hint with two parts in this order, range and criteria. With the parenthesis still open, highlight the range of cells you want to check. You can click and drag to select or type the address directly, such as A2, A100. Be careful not to include the column header in your selection. If you expect to copy this formula elsewhere, consider locking the range with $ so it doesn't shift when you fill the formula, but for a single result, a normal range is fine. After the range, type a comma, then add the criteria in quotes. 0. The quotation marks are important here because the criteria includes a comparison operator. This tells Excel to count only cells that are strictly greater than 0. Cells that are blank, contain text, contain 0, or are negative will not be counted. If some values look like numbers but aren't being counted, they might be stored as text. Converting them to numbers will make the count accurate. Finally, close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will instantly return the number of cells in your selected range that are greater than 0. You can sanity check the result by scanning a small portion of the range and confirming it matches what you see. If you expand or change your range, just update the selection inside the formula and press enter again. And if you ever need a slight variation, you can adjust the criteria. For example, E0 to include zeros while keeping the same structure. That's it. Quick, clear, and dependable. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing in Excel.